Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to hold a massive roadshow in Bhubaneswar on 10th May. The roadshow will be held from Master Canteen Square to Vani Vihar at 6 p.m. on Friday. Not only PM Modi, but top leaders of the BJP are also lined up to hit the campaign trail in Odisha. Assam CM Hemanta Biswa Sarma, BJP MP Hema Malini and other senior leaders are also likely to campaign in Odisha. The Supreme Court on Tuesday said it would likely hear the plea of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for interim bail in the Delhi liquor policy case on 9th May or next week. The Delhi Roos Avenue Court meanwhile has extended Kejriwal's judicial custody till 20th May. The Kedarnath Dham in Uttarakhand is set to reopen for devotees on 10th May with pre-opening special puja rituals starting at Omkareshwar Temple Ukhimatta. The rituals involve the Panchmukhi Doli Yatra, carrying an idol through various stops to reach Kedarnath. The Yatra from Omkareshwar Temple in Ukhimat will reach the Vishwanath Temple in Guptakashi. On 7th May, Yatra will depart from Guptakashi for the second stop Fata. From Fata, it will proceed to Gaurikund, the third stop on 8th May. On the next day, the Panchmukhi Doli Yatra from Gaurikund will reach the Kedarnath Dham in the evening. On 10th May, the doors of Kedarnath Dham will be opened for devotees at 7 a.m. At least 20 people have been killed in Israel's continuous attacks on the city of Rafah in the southern Gaza Strip since Tuesday. Israel targeted at least 4 residential buildings in Rafah, injuring dozens of people. Since the beginning of the assault overnight on Monday, Israel said it had taken control of the Gaza side of the Rafah crossing, with the Israeli forces killing at least 20 militants, and people in different parts of Odisha woke up to cooler weather conditions due to nor'wester activities that continued for the second consecutive day. The India Meteorological Department predicted that the maximum temperature in Odisha is likely to register a sharp drop in the coming days. The IMD has also issued an orange warning for thunderstorms and heavy rainfall activities in different parts of Odisha.